Hello and welcome back to my channel. I told you I was going to give you an example on how to apply our interface that we prior got ourselves accustomed to providing our an actual presentation. So here in Microsoft PowerPoint, I have a simple presentation. It's about diseases. I try to make it as simple as possible for my audience, the beginners, to see how you can apply all these in all the platforms. This is in our ribbon. So basically here in my title slide, as I told you, it's going to have the title and a brief description of the presenter. It's always good to provide here your details, say your name. You can even provide your telephone number. Say if people are really interested in the presentation you have delivered, they could contact you right there. So the presentation, this one basically is about diseases. This is our title slide, and in our second slide on our deck we have an outline. I basically like this approach because it gives the presenters what they are, an overview of what they're going to face as they're going to have their presentation being delivered to them. So it is always better you could first give them an outline of whatever you're going to present, then you continue with the details of each. So here in my outline I have an introduction, the types, the causes, and basically the conclusion. And here, as it is called PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, you have to be on point. You do not have to be so wordy in your presentation. So basically the slide will only have the core of your presentation. Then here in your notes you could add all the things you want to emphasize or hit on. Remember, this will only be visible to you. So this is what I have. So right now we want to format our presentation. As I said, you could change a lot. You can change this to some different format. Let's say that. You could also change the size to, you have to select all. Then you could change it to Hungarian and also change the size to that. You could also do a lot of stuff. Change the color, to whatever that suits you, and you can do the same to this. Say I want that to be in purple, in red, and particularly let's go with yellow. Then you could do that for the rest of your slides. Here I just wrote them, but to make your work really interesting you could add now you can number them, or you could add bullets to show the point. Remember, we are going to make this look more attractive, so please do that to the rest of your slides. So basically I have that. I have formatted my work, and right here we have the outline, our title, the outline, and everything. You could do it either way you want. I like colors, so I put them in different colors, but you could leave them the same, but make them presentable. So here basically you could add anything you want, like for example where there is what a disease is, you could insert a picture there to show how it is a disorder. It disrupts normal body functions and can affect specific organ. You could just insert a picture of the heart. For example, you could just bring this and insert right, and you paste it. So you could paste it there, or so you bring it right there and you can increase it depending. This will make your presentation better and people will be following because they can see what you're talking about and also relate. So you have that there. You can have the types of diseases. We have infectious diseases, non-infectious. Still you could insert something there, like to show how infectious it is. So you could have that. You can even have it sent to the background. You can actually do this before inserting in your work, such that you so I have that sent to the back. Likewise for this in your slide area, you can also do the same. It will make it more presentable. So you enlarge your image according to the size of your slide, then you right click, and after you can send to the back. So you have that right here. They are really blending with the red, so I could just change that to, let me say, another color. Blue will do, or any will do. Blue will do. So you have your slides appearing like that. You can do this to all of them. Basically, I just want to show you how it is done. So afterwards, after formatting and making your slide look beautiful, let us add something here. Let's add types, causes, an outline, anything. So you go and add all that you want to, depending on how you want your presentation to look like. So I have that. I could just adjust this to the corner, and yeah, there we have it. So after finishing, you will do that to all your slides. Now let us apply the transitions and what have you. So basically I come here, I select that, apply a transition that will not really bring that flickering. I have that, so I could just apply to all and adjust the times here. Say I want it to be maximum of 1 minute. Is it on mouse click? No, I don't want it to be on mouse click. Then you could adjust here also after 1 second. Then yeah, then you can apply it to all, or you can have your individual slide having its own transition. So we go to the animation of the individual contents in your slide. You select that slide and you apply the animation that you want. Make it really interesting. So I can have that, and I can change here. Is it on click or from previous? You can have it on click, and you can have the duration. I can also do the same for all the contents in my slide. So I have that, and I come here, basically do it to all. So after adding all that and formatting, we have applied our animations and transitions. You could check out your slide in the slideshow. But before, I really wanted to, if you want, you can insert, let me say, insert a chart. For example, right here, you could insert a chart depending on what you want to show, how the causes arranging. Let me say you could insert that chart and format it there in your slide. So yeah, you could actually do that. So this is how our slide looks like. I really wanted to emphasize on how to apply transitions, animations, design, and available themes. If you want to apply the theme, this is where you get to them. And you also choose a background style where you want to format it right here. You could actually choose a gradient fill for the ones that you've not filled. Let me say picture or texture. You could choose that, something that would really make your work look good. So after that, you could check out our new slideshow to see how you have arranged your slide. Still here in the notes, you could add, let me say from there, you could add the note here, the types. You want to emphasize that there are more types, but main ones are two. So you could just write them here in the notes. Let me say there are more types of diseases. Right there. So you have your note. So when you will be presenting, this will be only visible to you. The people watching the presentation won't be able to see it. So let's check out our slideshow from the beginning. That was the transition, and you have the animations manifesting, and I adjusted the time, so it is every after 1 second. So this is how basically for beginners you could start on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this is what I had for you on this episode. We're going to be interacting more on Microsoft presentation. Yeah, so if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.